The Mahindra Scorpio has always been a symbol of rugged performance and bold design, and the 2025 iteration takes it a step further. This legendary SUV has undergone a stunning transformation, blending its iconic muscular stance with a modern and aerodynamic twist. At the heart of the Scorpio's exterior is its commanding grille. The bold, multi-slat design is flanked by sleek, LED projector headlamps that are sharper and more aggressive than ever before. The integration of C-shaped LED daytime running lights adds a futuristic flair, making the SUV instantly recognizable on the road. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio retains its powerful, upright silhouette, but with refined contours that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The squared-off wheel arches, a signature Scorpio trait, now house larger alloy wheels with a striking dual-tone finish, giving the SUV a more dominant road presence. A sharp character line runs seamlessly from the front fender to the rear, emphasizing the vehicle's dynamic personality. At the rear, the design is just as impressive. Vertical LED tail lamps, reminiscent of its heritage, now feature a more sophisticated design, creating a blend of tradition and innovation. The sculpted tailgate and bold Scorpio branding exude confidence, while the sporty rear bumper, complete with integrated reflectors, adds a touch of athleticism. The 2025 Scorpio's exterior design is not just about aesthetics, it's built to perform. The high ground clearance, sturdy roof rails, and robust skid plates underscore its off-road capabilities. Whether navigating rocky trails or cruising through city streets, this SUV is designed to conquer all terrains with ease. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Scorpio's design, from the sculpted hood with aggressive creases to the aerodynamic ORVMs with integrated turn indicators. Mahindra has ensured no corner is overlooked. The flush-fitting door handles and chrome accents add a premium touch without compromising the SUV's rugged appeals. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio continues to honor its rich legacy. Its design evolution pays homage to its heritage while pushing boundaries. The iconic DNA remains intact, but it now speaks the language of modernity. This combination of strength and sophistication is what makes the Scorpio a favorite among enthusiasts. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio is not just an SUV, it's a statement, a testament to Mahindra's commitment to innovation and excellence. From its bold grille to its rugged stance, the Scorpio's exterior is a masterpiece of engineering and design. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of this automotive legend.